the Dugong site. So yung Dugong site is about 30 minutes boat ride from here. But you have to go sa park ranger area to register. People, we are in New Quezon, northwest of Busuanga, and we're gonna go and check the Dugong site, whether they're already open after the lockdown or during this pandemic, if they're open for Dugong watching trips. I'm gonna go try and ask.
Ngayong March.
March pa po mag-o-open. Pero ngayon, kahit po mga locals, hindi pa po? Wala pa talaga. Pero nandiyan pa po yung Dugong.
Nandiyan pa, may kahit sarado, may caretaker pa rin na.
Nagbabantay.
Siya naman chairman ngayon dyan.
Sure na po yun, March 1. Tama po. Salamat. Yay! So, by March, the Dugong site is open again for Dugong's watching excursions. We're gonna try and walk around the pier in New Quezon.
Mom, let me take it off.
Pwede kang mag-enter in this area, travel from Coron Town by a car or motorbike, and then you can rent yung small bangkas here to get to the Dugong site. So yung Dugong site is about 30 minutes boat ride from here. But you have to go sa park ranger area to register. Ayan po, yung area na yun. We miss going to the Dugong site. Beautiful day. Beauty of road trip is to see nice sceneries like this. This is the Che Boulevard.